Hi guys, let's start today's topic regarding to the assignment in the card. But before starting this topic, let me ask you one question from you. Are you still creating a boring dashboard and that no one can understand it? So if you're doing it, you need to think again. And because the KPI card and the forecasting are the biggest game changer in the dashboard design. So you need to, if you're, I just generally see the most of beginner makes a mistake. They just build a visual without insight. So imagine showing just data is not without trending, without forecasting is not powerful, right? So in this video, I will walk you through step by step from the card assignment to the card or the line chart or the forecasting so that you can build a executive level dashboard. So let's start it this assignment first, then we'll come back on the formatting parts, line chart and forecasting also. So let's suppose you are working somewhere. Come on the screen please, and I have mentioned a assignment to you. Let's suppose you're working somewhere and at the company senior manager or BA analyst or your interviewer ask you one question from you. They will give you a Power BI and ask you to do a some cards over there, right? So let's suppose there is a multiple reports over there, and there is a customer data also in that report, and you need to add a KPI there where you need to show total customer or revenue per the customer. So what will you think, what will your key objective? So key objective in front of you is that you need to just insert a card where in the customer detail report page and show the total customer there and rename it as a unique customer. The data which I have, I'm just talking about, I'll show you that thing also. And the background shape, you can just match the formatting as you did in earlier videos, right? That was I did in the executive dashboard tab. And second thing, you just need to copy and paste the second card and show it the average revenue per customer and rename it as the revenue per customer. So that is the assignment I need to do. Let's open the Power BI and do that together. Simply in the executive dashboard, we have just made this earlier in this video. If you are missed that, I highly recommend it, go there and watch that first so that you can understand you how can you format that kind of cards. Simply you can go and copy and paste this one. Let's copy it, go there in the customer detail and paste it here somewhere, right? Let's suppose I need to make a card over there. What do you want to give? You can give. Okay. And the first task is what? You need to build a unique customer there. So in the unique customer, you need to take the total customer. I'll show the formula because already I added formula like that. So I'll open it, go there, click on that card, go there in the order part, remove it, and let me check where is that located. Okay. Fine. So in the card, you need to search total customer. So the total customer, put it there in your value. And what you need to do? You need to rename it. How you rename it? I'll just show you. I'll open it. All right. So simply click here. Go there in the total customer. Remove that all. Put the caps and unique customer. Right. And if you put the customer, click here somewhere so that it would be like this. Okay. So you need to, because I took in earlier cards, put the 2 points from the after this point, took the two value. So we'll do that the same. Click here or click in the total customer. In the total customer, you see I took the distance, because that's when it is a unique customer, right? So distinct means take the only the unique customer from the sales data from the customer key. Customer key is the basically the customer ID, right? So click here, go to the formatting parts and put the two value after the point. What is happening? Let me do that again. Do it manually. Let's do paste it somewhere outside. See, your value would be like this as we want. What is the same second task? Second task, we need to create the revenue per the customer. So simply copy it, paste it here, and go little down. Whatever you want, you can give there. Click here. So if you copy and paste, you no need to format that again and again. So it is the best practice, copy that earlier format and paste it somewhere, so that all format are together and same way, right? So let's do that again. Copy and paste the cut here, search the average revenue per order, which we already made that the cards. Paste it here in the value, not this one. Average revenue per customer. This one I want actually, right? All right. So let's rename it. How can we rename it? As you are aware, simply double click on this, remove all, put the caps there, or control to use your text, whatever you want. Let's, I want here is a revenue per customer, right? So it is a revenue per customer. Spelling, if the mistake, will correct it, right? So that is the revenue per customer, and we have the made the KPI cards like this. If let's format more, that is in the dollar. Let's put the dollar before it, right? So if it is not coming, let's do that. Oh, I'll need to format that. I don't want auto. I want the at least two value from the point. Okay, that's all. So put it there, value customer. So I have made the revenue per customer and unique customer. That is are the assignment. That I'll come on the assignment part and show you the your solution view. That is, we have made that. Okay, let's do one thing. I'll just jump on the this Power BI and make a line chart over there, and formatting part, and the forecasting it, and lots of formatting here and there. So we'll do it together. I highly recommend it if you just open your Power BI and do that together. If you want any help, you can ping me and or ask me directly. So simply click on the line chart. In the line chart, I'll open it in my system also. Let's take a data. Data will take it from, let's do it this way, right? So from the calendar table, I'll take some start of the week in the x-axis. So it would be go like this. In the y-axis, let's take a revenue from the measure table. Let's take a total revenue on the y-axis. So on the weekly basis, I am just putting some data like this. Let me start of the week like this. Okay. So that time I'm just taking this data, or we just make a line chart revenue as per the start date. So let's format is what is there in the chart. You need to give the title. So click here, go there in your formatting part. In the journal there was a title. In the title, just remove it all this thing and put the name as the weekly revenue, right? And put it in the center. And if you want to the font size, let's take the font size together as a this one, and put little bit formatting part, right? Let's 11 is okay, fine. So what I did, I just rename a title and make this graph. Let's me do the some more formatting parts. Go there, click on the your line chart, click on the data in y-axis. Let's format it in the value part. In value, let's do it as the 8, right? And this is the same. And in the y-axis, I did, let's do it together in the y-axis also. Value, I'm doing it as an 8 as I did, right? So you can do like that. Okay. And one more thing, we'll do that. We'll do it in the zoom slicer. In the zoom slicer, let's, I don't want this on the x-axis, or if you want it, you can move the y-axis also like this. So you can zoom little a bit and whatever you want, right? So that is the zoom slicer, and we can do more formatting in this. Let's format a line. Let's took it 2. All right. So see the line, what the line is, and let's check the line color is the black. See, it's become the black. So slowly you can do the formatting, what formatting you want. Let's suppose we want to do some more formatting in the tooltips. See, the tooltip is like this. So we can go to the journal, search where is the tooltips. Here's the tooltips. In the tooltips, let's search the text color. In the text color, let's search like the label is the white, value is, let's this one, and value color, let's put the color as we did the color here in the this cards one. So this cards value I took the as a hash 20 E2D7, right? Back, and already selected this one. You can see like this, the color is there. Now one more thing, in the background color here in the cards, it was a white, and now its color is looking like a white. So we can do, go in the background color. In the background color, search here and put the black data. See now what's looking is a dark black. So let's do one thing. In the transparency, let's do a something like 10. Yeah, let's do it 10. Okay, now just check it how it looks like. See, now it looks like fine as I wanted, right? See, right? So that is the actually more transplantation part, and we do it like forecasting also. So let's save it first and do that the forecasting also in that. So how can you do that? You can just simply click here, go to the, let's close it all, and visual part, let's close all this part, let's close it, all close it, right? And now we need to do some more feature in this. Let's me search it on the forecasting, the journal forecasting is there. So just simply see the thing is there, right? So slowly you can just do that kind of thing. Okay, let's search trend line from here. See the trend line here, I will already did it. We'll do more formatting because it's too much visual there. So in the trend line, we'll just do the transparency as a 75. Okay, let's check it. What is happening? See, now it's visual. You can see like this. Okay, and the forecasting part, let's do some more formatting. Click here, forecast. In the forecasting, let's, the point is okay. Let's take okay. This forecasting length is 10. Okay, let's do it to 1. Okay, and see what is happening here. Now we can take the 85% and apply. When you apply, it would be 85% confidence level, right? So slowly you can just make a dashboard like this. I'll just save it. Okay, so I highly recommend it. You just go there first, do that beautiful chart as I am doing. Just give your hand dirty, search every formatting, what the formatting is doing, what you want, like this. Okay, and keep your visual as your dashboard is theme is. Okay, so that was look very beautiful. Let's do one practical assignment in the coming video, that I will show you how to do some if you get some interview or someone asking you any question regarding the line chart, how they ask the question from you, how to give the your answer. So see you in the next video. Till then, practice it and we'll meet you again.